It's something quite of a lost art. My cooking philosophy over the years has been really old-fashioned, old school. I still have that passion and philosophy behind old school chefs as Julia Child and Jacques Pepin and James Beard, because it was all about technique, cooking method. I've been in the industry for about 30 years now. When I was first starting out as an executive chef, I had customers come and telling me how their food reminded them as a child with their grandmother or their mom, and how wonderful, and they haven't had that experience in years. I traveled to almost every state you can imagine. I was able to learn, every culture behind their state and their barbecues or their southern cuisine in Georgia versus Memphis, and so on. And you learn to respect that. I don't know if there was anything else I would ever do or I would love more than, being in the food industry. Food inspires me because it's about an experience that you can give to customers. I don't believe I can stand there behind a plate and hand it to a customer unless it's perfect. When you give a customer an experience, you give them the best experience. It's always first class no matter where you go.